A YouTuber has revealed the severe damage done to Marcus Rashford's Rolls Royce after his crash in late 2023. Back in September, after United's 1-0 win away at Burnley, Rashford walked away unscathed after crashing his £700,000 Rolls Royce outside Man United's Carrington training ground. While there was significant damage to his car, Rashford, along with the other driver involved, managed to walk away unhurt, and although police officers arrived on scene to manage the wreck site, no ambulance was required. Due to the damage, the car was eventually sold on an online auction, which was won by YouTuber Matt Armstrong, who paid just £184,000 for the vehicle. In a video posted onto his YouTube channel, Armstrong took an in-depth look at the damage sustained by the vehicle. In the early stages of the video, Armstrong provides a panoramic view of the car, and it quickly becomes apparent as to why the United star ended up selling it. Damage was sustained all across the vehicle, with the front end of the car being almost non-existent, with the grille completely ripped off. The left-hand side of the vehicle was also badly damaged by the crash, with Armstrong showing large dents across the side of the vehicle. The sides of the vehicle were also badly damaged, with the left-hand side practically destroyed. Shortly after showing that off, Armstrong confirms that the car traveled just 1,000 miles before Rashford's crash. Afterwards, the YouTuber continued to assess the damage on the vehicle, including checking under the car. As he leaned down, he declared, "The suspension's a mess." The camera followed shortly afterwards and confirmed that the underbelly of the car had also been torn up following the England international's crash. Armstrong then spent a number of days working on the car, in a bid to get it to start. After failing multiple times, he eventually managed to get it working, despite the terrible condition it remained in. Rashford, 26, is an avid collector of luxury cars, and recently added a third Rolls Royce, a £560,000 Cullinan Blue Shadow, to his growing stable of supercars. Other cars in Rashford's expensive collection include a £280,000 McLaren 765 Longtail and a £350,000 Lamborghini Urus Performante.